Let's learn typing the character from home row. Keep the position of your finger as shown in the image on the screen. Typing with left hand. Use your pinky finger to type A, ring finger to type S, middle finger to type D, index finger to type F. Typing with right hand. Use your index finger to type J, middle finger to type K, ring finger to type L, pinky finger to type semicolon. Always remember to return on home key position after typing any word. For example, let's type G by slightly stretching index finger, then return to F key. There are protrusion on the bottom of F and J key. This will help you to return on home key position without looking at the keyboard. Look at the image on the screen. Protrusion on the bottom of F and J key are highlighted for your convenience.